Craving a coffee kick? Try these delicious Bran Muffins. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fantastic recipe that combines the goodness of Bran Muffins with the rich flavor of coffee. That's right, we're making Bran Muffins with coffee. These muffins are not only delicious but also a great way to start your day with a boost of energy. So, let's jump right into the recipe. Ingredients: 1½ cups wheat bran, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup packed brown sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/2 cup brewed coffee, cooled, 1/4 cup vegetable oil, 1/4 cup unsweetened applesauce, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 egg, 1/2 cup raisins, optional. Instructions: preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, and line a muffin tin with paper liners or grease the cups. In a large bowl, combine the wheat bran, all-purpose flour, brown sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Mix well to combine. In a separate bowl, whisk together the brewed coffee, vegetable oil, applesauce, vanilla extract, and egg until well blended. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Do not overmix. If desired, fold in the raisins. Spoon the batter into the prepared muffin tin, filling each cup about 3/4 full. Bake in the preheated oven for 15 to 18 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center of a muffin comes out clean. Remove from the oven and allow the muffins to cool in the tin for a few minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, our mouthwatering Bran Muffins with coffee recipe. I hope you enjoyed watching and will give this recipe a try. These muffins are perfect for a quick breakfast or a tasty snack anytime. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss a delicious recipe from us. If you try this recipe, let us know in the comments how it turned out for you. We love hearing from our amazing viewers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy baking! Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.